Hi, I'm Mario Valley. Welcome to another Transformational Tuesday. Today we're in the Contessa in this magnificently renovated unit. Let me give you a quick tour of how we transformed this place. The moment you walk through the front door of this completely renovated unit in Bay Colony, you're welcomed by an ambiance of relaxation and elegance. We made this unit into a place our clients feel extremely proud of. The expansive living room is ideal for entertaining family and friends. We completely reimagined the kitchen, creating great synergy, allowing communicability with a great room and a wonderful view of the Gulf of Mexico. So if you'd like to transform your unit, call me, Mario, at PBS Contractors, 239-825-6486, or visit our website at pbscontractors.com. I'll see you next time on Transformational Tuesday.